What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Thomas, and today we are unboxing my Supreme Week 1 orders from Fall/Winter 2024. I'm realizing now that I should not have thrown that. Fragile, handle with care, but it looks like UPS didn't give a fuck anyway from this package, so hoping everything is still intact. Let's get right into it. But first, shout out to Premier Protein, not sponsored, but it's a fantastic source of protein. Check it out. All right, so those of you that were here for the live cop on stream know what I copped. But for those of you that don't, it's a nice little mystery. And it's a little bit windy out right now, so if the sound is not great, I apologize. I'll try to cut it out with some denoising as much as I can. Lighting also, it's the end of the day. I probably don't even need these Firmoo sunglasses on. Use code VRZW50, save 50% off on Firmoo sunglasses. Check them out. Okay, so first things first, we did get the hanger, and what a piece of shit. This is, yeah, pretty terrible. Maybe we'll give this away at 3K subs. I really do not care about this at all. So if you guys want me to give this away to one lucky subscriber, plus a couple extra stickers, smash subscribe. But yeah, it is a cool little thing. I could use it if I wanted to. I don't know, man. It's really bent up. So, and it's literally just paper wrapped onto a wire hanger. But at least it's something. We had that whole season, I think it was spring, summer, or fall/winter 22, where we just didn't get a gift. And everyone was like, what the fuck? All right, sticker-wise, we have a red box logo. Fair enough. We got Tara Patrick, okay.
Honey.
And we got fuck money. I thought these were individual stickers at first, but they're not. But come on, for the fellas. Tara Patrick, that is a cool sticker. It doesn't look like we got a green box logo though, which kind of stinks. All right, first item up, we have the S logo. The pigment coated canvas S logo, I should say. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at this guy. It's a very nice material. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I just got out of the shower. And yeah, it looks pretty dope. This pink color looks really good in person. You can see the difference between the Supreme red and the color of this right here. And as always, we will do up close shots at the end of the video. So stick around if you want to see the camera zoomed right up on each individual item. All right. Fragile, handle with care. Yes, for this next one, I hope that throw didn't break anything. Because here we go. Hario Supreme glass, made in Japan. Product use, it's compatible with a sponge, neutral detergent. Incompatible with cleanser, abrasive sponge, nylon abrasive scrubbing brush, and steel scrubbing brush. So no getting your steel brushes on the Supreme Erlenmeyer flask. It is a heat-proof glass, heat-resistant temperature difference, 120 Celsius. This is made for science, and it's made with sustainable materials. So shout out to the globe, shout out to the earth. Oh, look at that, boys. 100469, nice. There she blows. In all of her glory, the Supreme Erlenmeyer flask. Like I said before, in chemistry class, junior year of high school, we called this the Erlenmeyer flasker. It might have been sophomore year. Yeah, we were definitely goofing around. Drew a lot of dicks on pieces of paper in that class. It was the Great Dick War of 2012. It was a bloodbath, to say the least. Looking at the Erlenmeyer flask, it's 500 milliliters, so you could use this to measure water if you needed to. If you don't have any measuring cups around, I don't know why you would use this, but it is pretty cool. It does look like high quality glass, and being $36 for a week 1 accessory, I thought it was pretty neat. I'm still debating if I want to keep it or not. It's not really reselling for a ton, but I thought it would be a great item to kind of just pick up, add to the cart. A very fun item too. Like, it's just silly, and I think Supreme does silly items very, very well. And the grand finale, last but not least, some might say, the ultimate item, the main event, is the size medium Supreme S logo track jacket. Very sick item right here. I thought it might have been best item of the week in terms of outerwear, like reasonable priced items. I think the best item was actually the Racer shot jacket, especially in green. But that was also $898, and I live in a 1-bedroom apartment, so I can't afford that. And as you can see right here, I'm rocking the Ducati track pants. I figured these would be a solid fit, because like I said in my drop list video, the live cop, multiple times talking about this piece, I think wearing the actual jacket with the pants is a little bit tacky given the giant S logo design. I picked literally the most windy time of day to record this video, and I think that's kind of funny. So if you guys have been enjoying, remember to hit like. All right, here is that big S logo hit right there. I went with a size medium. I usually cop large for Supreme stuff, but I thought that a medium might be worth a shot. I am 5'11", 160, 155 pounds. I go up and down in weight. But here we go with the size medium. I mean, I definitely could have worn the large, but I think the medium is more of a true fit for me personally. There is the look. Maybe a large would have been better, or I could just tuck the shirt in to the track pants and go like that. So what do you think about the fit? Does it look good? I know like you can't see my face right here, so if that looked weird, sorry, I guess. I get a little bit anal about the camera angles and shit, so whatever. Well, honestly, yeah, it feels really good as a track jacket. I like the materials. I think it matches this pretty dang well. I mean, I got some protein powder on this right here, so I need to like wipe those pants off, but the reds match up pretty well. Honestly, this right here, that little shape, it goes kind of hard. Like, what do you guys think? Do a little squat right here, a little Slavic squat. Smoking a cig, right? Waiting for a bus or something? I don't know. Let's get into some fucking up close and personal shots right now. All right, here's the back of that S logo track jacket. You can see this shield design with the Supreme S and 5 stars. Looks almost like a soccer club, football, as the rest of the world calls it. And then a nice piece of red right there, kind of like Real Madrid, I think. I don't know my soccer teams at all. And then some gray piping on the side with black materials, and then you can see the S logo popping out. We'll flip this over. There it is in all of its glory. Kind of looks weird because it's a little bit bigger than my table, but we'll get into the details. We have the number 11 on the right breast. It is a screen printed design with this yellow 11, and you can see that the S logo was screen printed first, so the design is behind the 11, which is a nice design touch. I think that looks cool. The zipper is closed and continues with the logo. I hate it when zippers are completely exposed. I like when they use material to cover it up. And it is I think it's a plastic YKK zipper. Yeah, it'd be nice if this was metal. Maybe it is, but I don't know. There can be some tricky little plastics out there these days that can seem like they're metal, but they're not really. The definite zipper part is though, which is dope. Medium right there. Love the Futara font. And then Supplex. All your information right there about this material. And of course the embroidery right there, world famous team, Supreme with the crown and the 2 stars. You love to see it. Overall, a really cool jacket, and I think it matches the pants fairly well, so hell freaking yeah. And then here are the rest of the items. I really don't want to take this out of the package again. I feel like you guys saw it pretty good enough. It pretty much is exactly what you think. It's a Supreme flask made of glass, put into a nice container with tons of Japanese on the back. I suppose Hario is a Japanese company. Don't really know what else they make, but it is one letter away from Mario. There you go. Then again with the S logo, pigment coated canvas hat. Pretty sick, honestly. It's crazy that I have never copped an S logo hat before. Finally have one in the possession, which is pretty cool. I think all the S logos sold out. We were going for the green one. I saw my boy Ernest Kahn cop one. I'm jealous, Ernest. Maybe trade, but probably not, because I think you're probably happy with yours. But this is cool. I have 2 green hats. I don't have a single pink one. That's dope. Tara Patrick, we gotta put the finger right there. But maybe we'll do this. We'll make a little, there you go. Tara Patrick sticker. I mean, box logo sticker. And then just the shittiest gift of all time. Look at that thing, guys. Look at that sucker. That is a bent coat hanger. Maybe 3K subs giveaway. I don't even think anyone actually wants this though, so maybe we'll just keep it and hold on to it and laugh and maybe even use it. I have a Supreme poncho that is taking up space, so maybe I can hang up a free gift using this free gift. That could be funny. But if enough people say they want it, I'll consider it in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Do you want me to cover more unboxing videos going forward this Supreme season? I'm super happy to do it. Let me know if you enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.